Hey, it's Sean from P2R. Today I want to get you guys a little bit involved on the engine we got here for the Acura ILX. I'm so excited that we're finally getting ready to drop this engine in the car. I spent a lot of time getting this motor together, and I basically want to involve you guys on the final step here. We got our see-through time belt covers, as we've been promoting quite a bit lately, and we got our titanium timing cover bolt kit. What I'm doing is we got a light gray valve cover and I got a dark gray valve cover. I want you guys to help me pick what's the best combination, or what combination you would like to see go in the car. So right now I got the yellow or the gold covers on here. I'm gonna go ahead and swap them out. I'm gonna put the black, I'm gonna put the red, and we're gonna try with all the combinations. Pretty much you let me know, whether you wanna see the dark gray cover with like a black or gold or red cover, timing cover. And then we're gonna do the same with the light gray covers. We're gonna swap them all out. And we're even gonna swap out and try the neochrome bolts that we have as well too, the titanium there. So let's get to it. I'm gonna show you all the combinations, and you guys vote below or comment below. Let me know what you pick, and whatever gets the most votes, we're gonna go ahead and put that in the car and get this motor dropped in the ILX.
All right, so let's get started by taking the valve cover off of the front cylinder head. I had the dark gray cover on here. I had this all torque spec earlier, but came up with the idea to let you guys get involved, so I decided to just take it all apart here. Once that's off, I'm gonna go ahead and get the P2R billet low profile oil cap removed. We decided to go everything silver on this engine, from the cam cap seal, the oil caps, and all that good stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and get our massive coil packs removed and set aside, and the valve cover will come right off. You can see under here we got the aluminum rocker set up in here. We got the Ferrea Valvetrain package. We got the Ferrea P2R exhaust rocker bushings. This was a brand new valve cover seal, so I'm just going to go ahead and remove it off of the dark gray cover and put it onto the light gray one. Both covers have brand new seals for the spark plug tubes already installed, so it's just the outer seal that I got to get in place. Now that that's on, this should be able to just slide right back in place. Anytime you're putting the cover on, make sure you wiggle it a little bit so you don't actually hang up the spark plug seal on the actual spark plug tube, because that could tear the seal even when they're new. I like to go ahead and get everything put back on in place, even though we might essentially have to remove this cover again. I just like to have all the bolts and everything on, because I think it'll give you a better visualization of which setup looks the best. I'm not going to tighten too much with the gun, just kind of get it on there, and then I go ahead and torque it all. Get our billet oil cap back on. And we'll just go ahead and get our coil packs put back into place. And then we got our 10mm nuts we got to put on here. Last step is me just to get these retorqued. And there we go, we're ready to go. We got the light gray cover on the front head. We got the dark gray cover on the rear head. Now we can begin our swap around of all the different P2R see-through transparent timing covers. We got the red one on here now with the titanium silver hardware. Putting the black one on. And there goes the titanium neochrome look on the hardware there. Let's go ahead and get the rear head swapped out as well. And this is how it looks with all black.
All right, there you have it. I tried quite a bit of different combinations. We tried the light valve covers, the dark gray valve covers. We tried all the different colors, red, black, gold. We also tried the silver and the neochrome bolts. So please comment below. Let me know what combination you'd like to see, and we'll go ahead and get those swapped onto this motor and get it put in the ILX. I'll see you guys again soon, and I hope you like this video.